Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Highstreet token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Highstreet is a commerce-focused metaverse that merges retail, gaming and virtual experiences into a single digital world. It is a virtual wood where users can explore. It is a virtual world where users can explore, play games, and so for both digital items and real world products. The High token serves as the in-game currency for purchasing assets, including virtual real estate and exclusive items. The project aims to create a meta lifestyle by integrating real world brands and offering physical project means products that bridge digital and physical ownership. High Street project institution rating is 3.5 and this project audited by Ceritech. High Street token total supply is 100 million and circulating supply is around 81.38 million high token. High token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Crypto.com and other centralized exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances that it is a if I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.